Welcome to another video on matrices, and today we are going to look at associativity of matrices. Now, whenever you have three matrices, okay, let's call them as A, B, and C, right? What happens if I first add B and C, and whatever solution I get, I add A to that, right? Or what happens if I first add A and B, and to the answer, I add C? Or in other words, will it make a difference if A is added to the sum of B plus C, or the sum of A and B are added to C? If the sum of all these three is the same, irrespective of the order in which the addition is done, whether I add A to the sum of B or C, or whether I add C to the sum of A or B, right? If the answer is the same, we say that the matrices are associative, or the property of matrices is associative. If it does not, we say the matrices are not associative. So let us look at this by means of an example. Okay, so you've got three matrices A, B, and C. If A is equal to this, and B is equal to this, and C is equal to this, prove that A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Now, first thing first, like I told you, you need to see what is the order of the matrices, and then only we can proceed with the addition. If you see A, it is 2 columns, okay, 1, 2, and 3 rows. So the order of A is 3 by 2. B, again, 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, 2 columns, 1, 2. C, same thing, 3 rows, 2 column. Since the order of both, not both actually, all A, B, and C is the same, we can go ahead with the addition, right? So let's look at the left hand side first. The left hand side says A plus B plus C. So first I need to find out what is the sum of B plus C, right? The sum of B plus C will be found by adding the corresponding elements of B and C. Since I'm sure you must have done a lot of practice by now, I'm not going to write the details. So 3 plus 4 will give you 7. 1 plus 3 will give you 4. 0 plus minus 2 will give you minus 2. 2 plus 2 gives you 4. Minus 3 plus 1 gives you minus 2. And then 5 plus 6 gives you 11. So B plus C is basically equal to 7, 4, minus 2, 4, and minus 2, 11. But what do we need to find out? We need to find out A plus B plus C. What is the value of A? The value of A is 1, 5, 3. And then you have minus 2, 4, 0. I need to add the value of B plus C to this, right? So I need to add 7 minus 2, 4, 4, and 11, right? If you find out the answer for this, which I'm trying to do at this place, I get 1 plus 7, 8, 5 plus minus 2, 3, 3 plus minus 2, 1. Minus 2 and 4 gives you 2, 4 plus 4 gives you 8, 0 plus 11 gives you 11. Or in other words, the value of the left hand side in the equation, which is A plus B plus C, is equal to 8, 3, 1, 2, 8, and 11. But that's only one part of it. What I need to find out is what is the value of A plus B plus C. Let's work out that as well, right? So what's the value of A plus B plus C? So first I need to find out what is the value of A plus B, right? So you have 1 and 3, 4. I will add the corresponding element of A and B. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 2, 6. 3 and minus 3 gives you 0. 0 plus 5 gives you 5. To the value of A plus B, which I have now got, I need to add the value of C. A plus B plus C. So instead of writing this again, I'm just adding the value of plus C over here. 4, minus 2, 1, 3, 2, 6. You always need to be careful in terms of writing the numbers which are there. Okay, so let me just change the, right? So I have 4 and 4. 8, 5 and minus 2, 3, 0 plus 1, 0. Minus 1, 3 gives me 2, 6 plus 2 gives me 8, 5 and 6 gives me 11. Right? So the value of the right hand side is 8, 3, 1, 2, 8, 11. Right? Now can I compare this with the left side? So it's like 8, 31 and 2, 8, 11. What was the value here? It was 8, 31, 8, 3, 1, 2, 8, 11. And how about here? It's 8, 3, 1, 2, 8, 11. Right? Or in other words, I can say that the value of A plus B plus C is equal to A plus the value of B plus C. I hope you would have understood this. And when this happens, we say that for any three matrices, A plus B plus C, the value of A when added to the total of B plus C is equal to the total which we can get if you have A plus B plus C. And that's why we say that the matrices are associative. Right? I hope you had a good time understanding this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel in case you want to stay updated about more videos which we will be uploading on a regular basis. In case this link is not working, you can hit the subscribe button right at the bottom. We look forward to having you in more videos. Thank you.